Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Back at the beginning of the year, we bought a 2024 GMC regular cab long bed. Quickly, we got the frame dismounted and we got a Mexico short bed regular cab frame and started converting the truck to a short bed regular cab V8 truck that is also four-wheel drive. In the process, we added a LME engine, a bunch of goodies, but unfortunately the truck caught fire, burned all the way down last month, and now we are on the rebuild stage. We are going to have this truck back on the road soon. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel today. I know it's been a while since we posted a video. We've been really busy here at the shop. We are a full-time shop. We work on a lot of customer cars here, so sorry about that, but we're going to get right to it. Back with this GMC truck build. As you saw in the last video, we had some unfortunate things that happened to that 24 truck. It burned all the way down, but we bought another new truck. We bought the old one back from insurance, so we're going to basically Frankenstein both of those together and make another truck out of this deal and refine some stuff that we should have changed on the last build and just make this one better. So we're going to get this truck pulled in right now and get the cab off and start rocking and rolling on this thing. But yeah, it's going to be a fun little rebuild process. We'll be able to see, you know, exactly how well everything held up in the fire and go from there. Here is the truck, still sitting in the same spot. Dad, what do you think of this thing? Think it can be salvaged?
Hell yeah, we'll do it.
I think once we get the cab pulled off, that's going to
that'll
tell
be
us
fine.
all we need to know.
The bed's good, the wheel's good. I think the frame's
I
good.
even think the tire's still good.
I think the frame and the
We'll
the
put
tires,
if not, we'll put these tires on the back and then we'll roast them off.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a better idea.
There we go.
But the paint is still in phenomenal shape, guys. It didn't
up.
even get touched. It's just dirty from all the
Smoked
smoke.
up.
Gonna have to do a little bit of bed liner work there, but interior, you know, I think it's beyond the restoration process on the interior. But think about it, guys. Once we take this cab off, there's not going to be anything really burnt on this thing. Underneath the hood, I don't even think the engine harness got touched, so that's all still good. We got some brand new turbos from On3 in there, brand new intercooler from On3. We're going to change some stuff up on the setup a little bit. A lot of our paint matched items will still be good. Mirrors, the door handles, the bumper, the rear bumper, all the side pieces that we had painted. Obviously the wheels, tires, suspension, lowering kit. Don't get yourself dirty in there, Dad.
This thing is filthy.
Yeah. I think my e-boost gauge even survived the fire.
Yeah.
Dang, that thing still does look fine. Crazy. This door's still good. Somehow that glass didn't break, which is pretty.
I can't believe that when I come up.
Yeah, every other window in it's broke. Donnie's gonna pull her on in.
Boy, he's gonna...
Oh, the door still shuts, brand new.
Yeah, it still sounds good.
You know, honestly, Dad, I
You
think
know what? I think this cab
the cab is salvageable.
is salvageable.
Because even where the window broke with the fire department, it didn't even
cool.
it didn't bend up the. Oh, now the roof is caved in though, Dad. Look at that.
I'm not tall enough.
I know, but it is. It's caved in pretty good. You can see it from in there, Dad. Look.
Oh yeah, it's done.
Yeah. Gosh
gotta
dang it.
beat it up.
Hey, we could put a sunroof in it.
Take a couple
Hey, the doors are still good though.
keep a little body hamper. This sumbitch got hot.
Yeah, it did. She got toasty. Look at the back light. It just melted.
Oh, it
Got melt
melted it.
sickles on it.
Yeah, that's what drunk in on that.
Yeah, dang. All right, Donnie. Pull the cab off of it. See what we got.
We got.
How heavy do you think that cab is?
Not much.
Think we can put on like one of them roller wheels and roll it back out here and dump it?
If not, we have a forklift.
That's true.
We
have a forklift and a big
screw them
dumpster.
things off. Them things.
Hey, I think that thing actually survived
Oh,
down
I
there.
think it's still good.
Yeah.
I think the back bed.
Almost got lucky and got your
You know
bumper
what's
out of it.
funny is this
Clean.
side-
Almost, Donnie.
If we would have ran this thing out of meth first.
But
we
this
wouldn't
is already painted on the new truck. It's this part that we painted, and I think it's mainly good. There's a couple scratches right there, but I think we'll be able to survive.
have- Oh yeah, we got quite a bit savable.
Yeah.
Painted it, at least.
All right, let's get it in. Let's see what we got.
How we gotta do this?
Try to save those speed hoses that we can touch away. Yeah. If they're still good, they look all right.
All right, guys. So we got the truck in, got it on the rack now. We're gonna get this cab pulled off and see what we got. Looks like the main turbo kit is still gonna be fine. Obviously, these turbos are a little crusty, but they still work. But we have brand new turbos for it, so not worried there. Looks like our intake's gonna be fine. Put a new throttle body on it. We're gonna be remaking all the charge pipe. We got a bigger intercooler for it, so we're gonna get rid of all this intercooler anyways, so not a big deal there. But the good news is the LME engine looks completely fine. I think we'll be very surprised once we get all this crusty body off of it, how nice it is gonna be under there. And then we're gonna start working on getting all this paint to match stuff off of the truck. That's still good. We obviously are gonna have to redo some stuff, but really not bad. It saves us about $4 grand by not having to have all this stuff repainted, getting a whole brand new truck. So, which is honestly good. It's cheaper than what we paid to get the whole truck back. So the wheels and tires are worth more than what we paid to get the truck back. So worked out really good. Donnie, I'm curious to see how this truck's gonna look underneath.
From what I can see, dude, it looks
Yeah,
great.
from what I can see too, it looks good.
Well, like, look at the tire. They didn't even put that tire where the fire was.
I know.
It's still holding air and everything.
I know, it's crazy.
I think we're gonna be surprised once we get it.
Wild. Well,
No low ballers. I know what I got.
yeah, I know what I got, guys. Oh, keep this over in the save pile. Curtis, Merry Christmas. Now you're 6'2". I know it's the biggest cubic inch motor you've ever had, Mr. 5'0". Well, if it falls off the rack, at least it's this one.
At least it's not the new one.
My hopes are high for this, Donnie. We're either gonna hit a bullseye here, or this thing's gonna be crusted.
I think it'll be all right. From what I see.
We'll see how good the ceramic coating is on this thing once we get it cleaned up.
Hey, I found the hood. I wouldn't want to damage
Yeah,
it.
the hood hit.
Oh,
Dude, he's fucking mint under here.
dang! Looks brand new still.
Looks like a 24, dude.
Holy crap!
Hey, there's your buyback right there.
Carbon drive shaft. Yeah, $2,000 carbon drive shaft is worth it right there. Dang, dude, it didn't even hurt anything under here.
Little shit there, but it ain't.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need some suspension wiring, maybe some brakes and an upper control arm.
Luckily, we have a whole donor truck.
I know. Wow. Yeah, Donnie, the only scratch on the bumper is that. I think I can maybe touch that up and make it look decent.
I know a guy.
That scratch right here too, actually.
Dude, I can't believe they scratched the bumper on this thing.
It's from when all the grill fell off of the front.
Shit.
Yeah.
Damn. This thing fared pretty well. Passed
It-
the fire test on the bottom side.
It did pass the fire test down here.
We don't test them like that often.
Wow. I'd say we got pretty lucky on that end.
Thing looks good.
Okay, well,
Yanker off.
off goes the cab.
Ripping and tearing, baby.
Man, back here looks brand new, everything. This a safe unit. Here's the bottom of the cab, right below the fire, and it looks brand new. Man,
I would say, nicest burnt truck I've ever worked on.
it's a crusty one. Looks like we are gonna have to replace an axle here, which we have a whole nother truck, so that's no problem. I'll have to call IHC, get another upper control arm, some wiring right here. But other than that, guys, I think we're in pretty good shape here. And the ooh, starting to look like cold trickle out Days of Thunder here. Good thing is Cable right now, they're bringing us a brand new truck. Should be here any minute. So big thanks to the guys at Cable Donner for getting us another replacement quickly, and it's exact same truck that we had right here. So be a good donor truck. I'll have a good cab, good interior. We'll plan is just take that cab off and put it on that frame, so it saves us a lot of work. Got a new unit just delivered from Cable Dahmer. Love those guys over there. Got the base work truck, and then we're gonna take this cab off this truck and put it on the old truck short bed frame, since it's all still really good. But we'll have basically a full freaking roller after that though, so I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but basically everything but a cab on this thing. It'll still have the engine, suspension, brakes, transmission, everything. So it's a whole lot of truck that we're gonna have left over. Maybe we can find another cab, salvage cab, and put another cab on this thing. But definitely got to have the new one for the regular cab short bed truck for sure. Maybe we can take this, find another cab, harnesses, computers, and everything from another truck, and make this our new shop truck. Have it as a shop truck there. Pretty good looking though. So we'll be able to get cracking on this thing here pretty quick. Donnie loves this. You can just cut stuff off.
Junkyard special, baby.
I feel like I'm no help right now.
Watch the bumper though. Don't fuck up the bumper.
A lot of cleaning and coating. Here we go.
Yeah, at least get the bumper out of the way. That way I can fuck shit up with no worry. Got my harness removal tool.
Oh, it's got 150 miles on it.
What about the steering shaft? All right. Oh, here, Donnie, I found the problem. Ground, right there. And then there's a heater hose with a zip tie on it. Awesome. Okay, we got the cab off, and really everything's gonna look good. We're gonna get this all this old wiring off, get the old radiators, transcoolers, and stuff out of there. All this old charge piping, get the old turbos off. Do some cleaning. We'll need a new upper control arm from IHC, yeah, IHC. Looks like maybe just put a coat of paint there on that top strut tower. Yeah, all else looks really good. Looks really good. Engine didn't even really get touched at all. I mean, the fuel line's there.
Nice shot of that turbo kit.
Good shot of the turbo
That was all fab
kit.
with the cab on.
Yeah, which is wild.